Okay, so today I'm going to meet one of my friends, Shubham. We are planning a trip for Jaisalmer, Udaipur. So we are just going to meet and finalize some of the stays where we are going to visit and the rest of the itinerary. The field of view of GoPro is absolutely crap as compared to DJI. And I don't have to buy any additional mod to get a wider FOV on the DJI.
Okay.
Look at the line for the fish store, dude. सबको मछली खानी है. Why is there traffic on a Sunday morning at 11 o'clock, man? Come on. And I'm pretty sure there's a stupid reason like some car is just blocking half the road. Oh, there is a rally going on ahead. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
अरे तुम दोनों के बीच में मैं पिचक जाऊंगा भाई, मेरे को जाने दो. We are just going to meet at a place called Blue Tokai, the cafe. It is nearby and it was equidistant to Shubham and I, so I thought might as well meet there. It is just 10 minutes from my house. I think my chain has become a little loose because I can hear the chain rattling whenever I am accelerating from a lower RPM especially. See, now once I go to a higher RPM, there's no more rattling now.
I don't think you have any idea how fast I really am. I'm fast as fuck, boy. Fast as fuck, boy. Still fast as fuck.
No, I can still hear it a little bit. Ah, great. I think I had just adjusted the chain not even 1 month back. I went to the Triumph service center because I was getting the service indicator on my analog, and he told me we just have to adjust the kilometers till the next servicing because Triumph has it on 16,000 kilometers. Mine has done 11,950 till now. I told him because there was a lot of noise coming from the chain, and whenever you are in neutral and you shift to first, you get like a sound. The sound was coming like a gunshot whenever I was putting the bike from neutral to second. Like it literally did sound like something was broken inside. Said, oh, the chain is loose. We'll just have to tighten the chain, and then it won't sound as loud as it is right now. But I don't know. I think he did. I think he did not. I don't remember exactly. At least he wrote it in the invoice, chain adjustment. But now again, after what 400 kilometers, it has again come loose. I mean, am I supposed to tighten the chain every 400, 500 kilometers, just like we have to loop the chain every 500 kilometers, or is this some problem? Because he was saying maybe you will have to change the chain sprocket. Don't we have to change the chain sprocket after like 16,000 kilometers or something? Mine has barely, at that time it was like 11,500. Mine has barely completed 12,000. So, but he's like, no, you might have to change the chain sprocket if you keep facing the same problem. See, I might have to go again before, because I don't want to risk anything on the Rajasthan tour.
बंद करो हाथ जोड़ के मैं.
No turn indicator, nothing. Oh shit, I don't know where Blue Tokai is. I will have to look out for it, or I'll have to stop, and let's stop here for a moment. Oh, I am there. See? I don't know if you can see or not. It's just ahead. So it's on the right, opposite of Pizza Hut. Ah, yeah, saw it. Blue Tokai. I'll have to take a U-turn from ahead. We are here. Is there parking here? No, I think I'll have to park ahead. well within the limits. All right, so we just met and we finalized the stay for Jaisalmer and the leopard safari. Sorry, the cheetah place. I forgot the name of the Javai. I don't know what it's called. But yeah, we just finalized the stay for both these places. We were just discussing how to make content, how to learn storytelling and everything. He has also started his YouTube channel. He started earlier than me, and now I'm again heading back home. Make a fixture for the magnet inside my helmet. So the DJI mic right now, I have not clipped it onto anything. I'm just using the magnet mount, not the magnetic clip, and on the outside of my helmet, and inside my helmet I've kept the DJI mic. My friend was telling me that it is a little bit dangerous on long rides because the wind blast, if it gets too high, magnet itself might get knocked off. What will happen is your mic inside will come loose, and if you don't realize it, then RIP DJI Mic 3. So he said instead of that, get a fridge magnet and stick it inside your helmet with the 3M tape, and onto that attach the DJI magnet, and then on that DJI magnet you can attach your the DJI mic. So yeah, I think that's about it. Now I think the next vlog which we have is maybe if we go on a short ride next Saturday, but if not, then I think the next video will be directly on the day of the ride. So thank you for watching.